In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically save passwords on Google Chrome. This is a fantastic feature that can save you a lot of time and effort, ensuring that your login credentials are always available when you need them and securely stored. Whether you're setting up a new account, accessing existing accounts, or juggling multiple passwords, today you'll learn how to streamline these tasks with a few simple steps. First, let's get started by opening Google Chrome on your desktop. Once you've done that, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a three-dot menu icon, which is your gateway to some of Chrome's most useful settings. Go ahead and give that icon a click. This will open a drop-down menu where a variety of options are available to you. We're looking for the Settings option. Click on that, and it will navigate you to the main settings interface for Chrome. Now, on the left-hand side of the settings page, you'll see a menu where different categories are listed. Look for the section labeled Autofill and Passwords. Clicking on this will bring you to the area where Chrome manages all things related to stored data, including passwords. Within this section, you'll notice an option for Google Password Manager. This manager is essentially your hub for all your stored passwords and autofill information in Chrome. By selecting Google Password Manager, it provides a detailed view of all saved credentials and automatic logins linked to your Google account. Now, to ensure that Chrome is set to automatically save your passwords, we need to adjust a few settings. In the left-hand menu within the Password Manager, there's a Settings tab. Clicking on it unveils several password management options. We're focusing specifically on one setting: Offer to save passwords and passkeys. This is the key feature that prompts Chrome to suggest saving your credentials whenever you sign in on a new site or service. Look for the toggle next to this setting. If it's switched off, simply click it to switch on. Turning on this toggle activates this feature, ensuring Chrome offers to save your passwords into the manager every time you log into new accounts or update existing passwords. And there you have it. You've now configured Google Chrome to automatically save your passwords. This feature will not only make logging in faster, but more secure, as Chrome encrypts these passwords, offering you peace of mind. As always, keep track of your Google account information, since your saved passwords are linked to it. And that's the easy way to keep your online credentials secure and easily accessible. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.